Right now, I'm at the Dreams, Diaspora, and Destiny mural. You could take your phone and just like point it at the mural. And so I go to Mural Experience. Through the lens of an AR app, there's so much to get lost in. It completely transforms the environment. Yeah, it's definitely working. It was Joshua May's goal to make this mural an experience so that you could want to look at it for 15 to 20 minutes. And that's exactly how I felt. What we're seeing here is this combination between the physical and the digital world. Being able to look at this new world that's created on your phone, but it's through the lens of reality. We've seen this drive for experience. People are really looking now to have experiences with the technology that they use. It's been really incredible to see the creativity that businesses and artists alike have had when it comes to augmented reality.